Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to Daily. I know I'm a couple days behind on my video. I'm supposed to install like this $109 part for my car, and it's gonna be phenomenal once I get to it. Danny's gonna help me. It should be about a 30-minute job. But I hope everybody has a first week of school. You know, I just started school, so I may be behind on videos as well. And then I'm actually starting to branch on other social media stuff. So if you play games or whatever, hit me up on Twitch. Here pretty soon I'm actually gonna be doing a PC build, and I'm gonna have that recorded as well for y'all. So I might have a gaming channel as well, separate from this one. But as you know as well, I moved into my new apartment, and I'll probably do another video, a whole walk around. So yeah, the biggest goal right now is just rearrange the room, and then I'm actually gonna show y'all what I got. You know, I might as well just show y'all. So I actually got MRT's HOOD Struts. Should be really simple from what I saw on LMR and CJ Ponies. It actually takes like 30 minutes. And I actually got the one that you don't have to make holes into your car. I just got the simple one that actually bolts on. So like everything in this car is gonna be basically bolt on. So it's gonna be really nice. Looking forward to make it easier. It's gonna give it a more aesthetic look when it comes to car meet. I had to put it on the hood rod. I could just take it right off, but I'm gonna leave the hood rod on maybe, just to see how it is. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange my room real quick, and then we're gonna get that started. Grab that. This. Ooh, it's a beautiful day out. Oh yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to It's a Daily. Oh man, this fell out. Crap. You don't want to see them soon. Here we go. Now we gotta pull the hood up. There we go. Nice and propped. Now we gotta find the right bolt. Lay all of those like that. 10, hopefully 10. 10 is this magic one. Okay, so until Danny comes, I'm gonna go ahead and screw on what needs to go on the fender. So you need a 5/16 socket or a 5/16 wrench, and then you also need a number 10 socket. Number 10 was going to get this top part up here, and the 5/16 is actually going to get the bolt down here that hooks onto the fender. It's actually really quite. Alright everybody, so my camera's actually gonna die. I'm gonna show you the end result. So basically you wanna make sure this end's parallel. We just did hand tight to make sure everything's on well. 10mm, screw the top part as you can see right there. And then align it as well. You wanna grab a knife, cut that out, and screw everything back on. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And then hopefully it all works and we'll see what happens. Alright everybody, so this finishing result, as you can see, MRT standing out. It's pretty dope. Got no what's it called, no rod to stick it up, and this is the big test. Well, as you can see, not really a test, but it all lines up perfectly. It's down smooth, and as you can see it opens back up. Open this bad boy up, she flies right back up. Honestly, this is one of my favorite mods. Something little, but it's the little things that matter the most, and it's so simple and easy, and it's gonna give the engine a whole lot. It's gonna give it a whole lot better look. And the last thing to do is, because we won't need this again, screw this bolt and no more rods. This is optional, you could keep it, but I'm taking it off because I no longer need it. But yeah. All right, y'all, one last time. Oh, look at that. It's so sick. Alright everybody, so as you see, got the final portrait up and looks phenomenal in the background. But I hope you liked the video. As you see, the hood struts are amazing. I love it. It's probably going to be one of the best things I've actually put on the Mustangs besides like performance wise. It's like I said, it's the little things that matter the most too, and like it's probably like something it's probably the most noticeable thing too, because people are like, oh, how are you gonna hold that up? And I got the hood struts. But I highly definitely recommend getting them if you have the opportunity. It's only 109 bucks. You don't have to drill any holes, just straight on bolt-ons, as you can see in the video as well. And shout out to Danny for helping me. I couldn't do it without you, bud. Also, one thing I like to include is if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You know, you see me around Norman, hit me up. There's been people in my neighborhood at the Ave. You know, they follow me due to the It's a Daily sticker YouTube channel on the back of my windshield. So that's shout out to y'all if you're new. Welcome to the family. But let's go ahead. It's gonna be many more. I'll probably stop a couple videos here and there. I'm not gonna be focused a lot because, like I said, I'm busy with school, and then I'm also working on a computer build. So it's gonna be really cool. I'll have my gamer tag and my Twitch and all that down below once I make my account. But that's gonna wrap up the video. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, share with your friends, and thank you for coming to Daily. That's to be the end of the video. Let's wrap it up. Hope you had a first good day or a good week of school going on week 2. Let's go end this.